This is the URPOWER Essential Oil Diffuser and how to disable the beeping sound that seems to wake you up at night. And it really annoys my wife. We're going to go ahead and take off the cover and you're going to turn it over. There's 3 screws here. Just simply take those 3 screws out. Go ahead and open up the lid, and the back here you're going to go ahead and see a buzzer, and this is it here. This is the buzzer that creates the beeping sound, and all you have to do is twist it off, and you can twist that in a counterclockwise motion. So we're twisting. It's hard to see it there. Taking it, grabbing it, and I'm going to twist it counterclockwise and pull it off, and that's it there. This doesn't affect anything else except for the beeping. So for the settings, you get used to hearing the beeps for the different levels, but you won't hear that any longer, and you also won't hear it shut off in the middle of the night. So that's it. You just go ahead and reassemble it the same way, putting the 3 screws back, lining up the holes, and that's it. And it will no longer beep.